Hello explorers and welcome to another video. Today we are going to talk about HacktoberFest 2021. And HacktoberFest is an event that is going on during October month that you can register to and help open source develop to something really good. There is a lot of resources here, a lot of different things that you can help out with during the month of October, and if you help out much, or if you do a lot of things, you might even get some prizes and some other things for helping out. So I think there was something if you compete and have enough contributions, you get a t-shirt and so on. But I'm not really interested in t-shirts or anything. I just want to be a part of it. And perhaps if I find something that I can help out with, I want to do a good pull request. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have time for that, but if you want to, this is a really good way to get into some coding and helping out in the open source community. So if we look here, we have the site and I have logged in. If you go here, you can sign up and register, and then you log in with your GitHub or GitLab account. And I have logged in with my GitHub account here. If we go over to resources, we see that there is a lot of resources on how to do, what to do and so on, and what not to do. Something that is really important if you go into participation here is that they have some rules. A pull request can be submitted to any opted-in repository on GitHub or GitLab. The pull request must contain commits you have made yourself, so no one else can make the commits and you just push a pull request. If a maintainer reports your pull request as spam, then it will not be counted. And if a maintainer reports a behavior that is not in line with the project's code of conduct, it will not be eligible to the participation either. And you can get the t-shirt if you have 4 approved pull requests. And this year it's more than 50,000 people that are in the program. And this is a really interesting project, and there is a lot of different things that you could help out with. If we go over to GitHub here, for instance, they have a tag, a topic called HacktoberFest, and here we have all the repositories. So there is 70,000 different topics that you could help out with. You can help out the free code camp. You can help out with free programming books, public APIs, and there is something here, delightful community for a framework for your SHA configuration, algorithms for Python, and material UI and so on. So there is a lot of different projects. So you can really go in here and find whatever suits your specific style. If you can help out with documentation, I know there is a lot of projects that needs and help with that. There might be some code that you are more familiar with. Perhaps you have written a lot of Python, then go in there and help out with that. I found a project here called the best resources online or something like that. If we go down here a little bit, the best websites a programmer should visit. So if we go over here, this is this repository, and I have forked it. So now I have my own repository here. And then I cloned that specific repository. And if we go over here, I will also go in and do git remote add glass buffer, and then this specific repository here. Let's see, I can take mine here, so you get the SSH one. Not remove, remote. So then I should add a remote for that. If I then switch over to my editor here, I have already prepared this a bit. So here we have this README doc that we see on their repository. So if we go down here and read, you see best programming sites, and they have different things that you should help with. And here you have YouTube channels. So here we have a bunch of YouTube channels that could be good to go in and watch, and because I'm doing a YouTube channel that perhaps could be, I'm not sure that it's the best one, but at least I think it's good content, so I will support, send it in here, and if they think it's good enough, then I will be a part of it. If they don't, then they will probably just ignore my pull request or close it. So let's go in here, and I have already prepared this a bit, so I will copy in myself here. So we have Daniel Persson, my YouTube channel. This channel tries to create inspiring videos about Java, machine learning, web development, and DevOps. So that's the tagline that I want to put in there. And if we go over to my Git here, and why do I get, yeah, there we go. So let's see, I have this README file here. I will create a new branch, just call it Daniel, and add this README file there, added my YouTube channel, that, and then push that to KalasBuffer. See if I can do that. So now I've pushed a new branch to KalasBuffer, and if we go back to GitHub here, we should be able to find that I have a new pull here, and I can create a new pull request from this branch, Daniel at KalasBuffer, to their repository master. Here I need to have some kind of text, so let's go back here. I've prepared some text. Let's put in the description here, and adding my YouTube channel could be good. So I say to this person that has this specific repository, hi SDMG15, my channel might not be the best resource, but I'm trying to make it an inspiring channel where people can learn and share their experiences, so we all can get better at writing code. Best regards, Daniel. And this should be in line with the specific guidelines, I hope. So this is my first pull request into the Hacktober event. Do you think this is a really fun thing? There is a lot of different companies behind this event, and they try to push out and get people more excited to help out with open source and make better code in open source repositories. If you have the time, please go in and try to help some of these repositories. Be a maintainer, not a maintainer, a contributor to different open source projects. That's a really good thing and can help you boost your CV as well. If you can say that I'm helping out and participating in open source, it looks really good on your CV. This was what I wanted to talk about today. I hope that you found this interesting. Are you a part of the Hacktober event already, or do you want to be a part of it? Leave a comment in the comment section down below. If you like this video, give it a like, share it with your friends and colleagues. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do that. And I really hope to see you in the next video.